What happened to your phone, you said, sir?
I was playing Roblox Grow Garden, and I got scammed from my T-Rex, and I was really mad. And after that, I threw it on the ground, and it cracked, but it was still working. But after that, water went on it. Can you fix it?
That's why you put it in rice?
Yeah, I put it in rice as well.
Don't worry. I got you. Some rice stuck inside the charging port. Oi, 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 look at all this. Oh my gosh. Ay. Surgery time. Still wet. This battery needs to be changed too. It looks swollen. Oh. Water is everywhere. Hopefully this still works. This is done. I'm gonna replace this one as well. Your phone is ready, sir.
Whoa.
Now it's good to go.
Wow, it looks brand new. You saved my life. I hope not to see you again.